Hey guys, Mike Internet Pro. Thanks so much for joining me here on this new video. Guys, I just want to show you my results so far with Extreme Coin. If you don't know what Extreme Coin is, it is the talk of the town. I'm telling you guys, this is going to be the biggest Bitcoin earning site probably for 2018. So if you have not heard about it, definitely click the link below this video. So you can learn more about it and so you can see the compensation plan. That video will be coming out shortly, so just stay tuned. But I want to tell you guys, check out my downline right now. 32 people. It's been less than 24 hours. I have 32 signups. That's amazing. People are seeing the value. They're watching the video and they're taking action. But they're leaving out one important step. Now, in order to receive money from my spillover, you'll need to sign up for one of the products that we're selling, which is actually hotel discounts. Discounted rates on different hotels across the United States. Actually, I think it's worldwide. So you're going to need to sign up from either Sapphire or the executive level. And that is something you take a look at. As soon as you click on the link below the video, you'll be taken to another link which will allow you to purchase. So guys, if you want to receive money, you're going to need to do that. I'm going to show you how to do it right now. Okay, guys, so once you click that link below, you'll be taken to this page right here. This is for the new sales. This is a new sales page. That's extremecoin.com/u/new. There's underscore sale. Okay, that'll bring you to this page right here. This is where you'll choose a sapphire, pearl, ruby, emerald. So once you click the link below this video and you click the green button on that video page, the black video page, it'll take you here so you can actually sign up. You're going to need to purchase one of these packages to start building, just like it says right here, to start building your business today. Okay, so the spillover will not provide you any money unless you have an active package inside the membership. So I need for you guys to go ahead and join up with any one of these packages. Now the 0.05 is the lowest package. Okay, this is right now at about $268, and of course that's fluctuating minute by minute. So you can check that out right now. Now you're going to go to your wallet, go ahead and send the Bitcoin blockchain number, string of numbers over, and go ahead and pay that way or use the QR code. Okay, and if you're not sure how to pay, it's really simple. You just go into your account and go up to resources, and resources has actually all the videos that you'll need. So I'm gonna go ahead and log back in so you can see that. So guys, here we are in the back office. Go up to resources, and with resources allow you to just simply have all the instructional videos that you need to see. Underneath the training video tab, what is Bitcoin, how to create your Extreme Coin account, back office tour. Okay, this is going to show you how to sign up, detailed step-by-step instructions, how to step up your Bitcoin wallet in the Extreme Coin. So go ahead and click on these play buttons here, guys, and that is how you'll sign up. Okay, it gives you all the information, detailed instructions, so you will not be lost. You can also check out any one of these. So after you click on these play buttons, all of these other links here will take you to even more training. So this is really important that you check out the resources tab. That way you can get your account activated. That way your spillover will actually be paying you from that point on. Okay, guys? So those who join up with me, that's very, very important. Again, guys, the first time seeing this video, I'm letting you know Extreme Coin. I'm always on the front, cutting edge of new things, new technology, new methods, new programs, and this is just another one for 2018. Going into the new year, make sure you're a part of Extreme Coin. Okay. Thanks for listening, guys. It's Mike Internet Pro, 9-year online marketer. Stay tuned for the new videos coming out about Extreme Coin. And again, click the link below, get started, join today, become a part of this huge, huge program. Thanks, guys. Bitcoin is growing. It's not going anywhere. Talk to you later. I'm out.
Guys, if you want to make money with Michael, click the link below.